it's me, and today we are going to be doing 2018 Squishy Collection, and it is now 2019. I forgot to do it yesterday, because I was doing stuff yesterday, I was partying down, and please do not, my hair is like a mess, please don't, I'm sorry about that, but, so, yeah, let's go. So, here is a cake, rainbow cake. Something was in my ear. Some of these are in the pork bags. I don't know why, but yeah. Actually, let me put these out. And then I'll put them. And by the way, if you're wondering what I put my initials in, I put them in this. And those are my initials, RK. And next, and this is not in any order or anything like that. A lot of these I got for Christmas, so. And also this one, I think this is probably gonna be my first squishy video, because I always make squishy videos, but I never uploaded them. I don't know why. And then here's the sloth. I'm in love with this one because I have an obsession with sloths. So, and then here's this dinosaur. Not mine, Dad. It's just smushed. Let me take this out because this is real smushed. And also, I drew that. Super slow rising. What's that? It's barely even rising. I can barely even squish it again because it's still rising. So, yeah. And then here is this Donut Kitty. And also, I'm going and I forgot to show you the licensing on this one. It's from Orb. Yeah, that's from Orb. Or if that is Orb right there, I think. And Orb right there. These are also the licensing on it. A lot of these are store-bought. Orb. Yeah. None of these are dense, except this one. Just it's hard to squish them in the bag because of doing that. They're super cute. And then here's this squishy mushy. I thought somebody was coming in. Squishy mushy. I do not know where my best friend went. Then here's a panda bun. I know, it's super dirty. Yes. And then here is unicorn. Pretty slow rising. Also license. So, and then here's this one. It does not have licensing on it. Licensing. Whatever. Wow. Great. And then this one. And then I have this one. And then I have these stress balls. I just dropped them. So, have these stress balls. They're stress balls. So that's it for today. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.